Hi everyone. Now let's talk about operational amplifiers and their inverting amplifier configuration. Now when we are dealing with operational amplifiers, we must remember two golden rules. Okay, the two golden rules. So what are they? The first rule says that when I have a operational amplifier connected in a closed loop format, like what you see here. When you say closed loop means there is some feedback from the output, okay, back to the inputs of the op-amp. Okay, so when you see that happening, then you say it's in a closed loop configuration. So in that configuration, we can say that the op-amp will do everything, okay, to make sure that V plus is equals to V minus. Alright, that means whatever voltage you see at V plus will be the same at V minus in closed loop configuration. The second rule is that current into input terminals is approximately 0. Okay, so an op-amp has infinite input impedance, which means that the current flowing into the input terminals is 0. So you can say that the current here, I, okay, is approximately equals to 0. Okay, with these two golden rules, we can analyze the op-amp's behavior over here. Since V plus here is connected to ground, okay, this is V plus, we can look at golden rule 1 and say that the terminal over here, which is the point, it is connected to V minus, is also equals to ground, which is 0. Okay. Now, since there is the second rule says that there is no current flowing into the input terminals, whatever current that is flowing from V in to this node is the same current that is going to flow from this node over here to the V out terminal. Okay, we can now use this with these two golden rules. We have this understanding, so now we can form the equations relating the current flow. So we can say that this current flow over here is equals to V in minus 0 over Ri, and this current flow over here is 0 minus V out over Ri. So this is basically the application of Ohm's law. So since there is no current flowing into the input of the terminals, the current that flowing in the branch over here is the same current flowing into the feedback branch. So you can rewrite it as V in minus 0 over Ri is equals to 0 minus V out over Rf. Okay, moving things around, we have Rf over Ri equals to negative V out over V in. Okay, and moving the negative over, we can rewrite it as V out over V in is equals to negative Rf over Ri. Okay, and that is basically the formula for a operational amplifier or an operational amplifier connected in this inverting configuration. Okay, where the output over input is negative Rf over Ri. Okay, so in my next video, I'm going to talk about the derivation for the non-inverting configuration. So please remember to check out that video as well. Thank you. Bye.